In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can restrict someone or your friend on Facebook. When you go ahead and restrict someone, it is just a way of making sure that the person will not see your activities online without you having to block them. So it is pretty much simple. For instance, we want to go ahead and restrict this contact, and this is in my message inbox. First, go to your chat, and then from your chat, identify the contact that you want to restrict. For my case, I want to restrict this contact here. So this is the chat and the person that I want to restrict. So all you need to do is to go to the chats here and then long press on it. And from this list, you can see we have an option called restrict. So if I go ahead and tap on restrict, you'll see what will happen here, that I will see less of these persons or these contacts without having to block them. And you're told here that this will help you to remove or move this chat out of sight. So by restricting this contact, you'll remove the conversation from your chat list so you won't get message notification. Another thing, you will hide your activities that they won't be able to see when you have read their messages or your active status. So should you read their messages, they won't even know that you read their messages. And another restriction that will happen is that they won't be notified that you restricted them. So to proceed, go ahead and then tap on restrict here, and then that is the final, and now the chat has been restricted. So that's how you restrict a friend from your chat list on Facebook Messenger. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.